Discover the vital role of data science in decision-making and how it shapes the strategies of successful businesses today. The power of data science, revolutionizing decision-making. Welcome, data enthusiasts. Whether you're knee-deep in code or just starting your journey in data science, we're here to uncover how this field is reshaping decision-making and empowering industries. By the end of this discussion, you'll understand what makes data so influential and how you, as a data scientist, are a key to this revolution. Let's dive into the world where algorithms meet business strategies and insights shift industry paradigms. Data science, what's the hype all about? You've probably seen those flashy phrases, data is the new oil, or data-driven decisions. But let's break it down beyond the buzzwords. At its core, data science is about turning vast troves of raw information into actionable insights. It's where programming, mathematics, and domain expertise intersect. From machine learning models to dynamic data visualizations, this field enables us to extract patterns that help businesses predict customer behavior, optimize supply chains, and even tailor healthcare treatments. But here's the twist. It's not just about the tools you use. Data science thrives on curiosity. Asking why, how, and what next is what sets great data scientists apart. Here's a fun fact. We generate over 2.5 quintillion bytes of data daily. Yes, quintillion. That's emails, tweets, purchases, GPS routes, and the hundreds of cat videos you didn't need to watch but did anyway. The question is, how do we make sense of this chaos? Organizations now realize that gut-based decisions don't cut it anymore. They need precision, predictions, and pathways, all of which data science provides. Whether predicting disease outbreaks with public health data or curating a personalized shopping experience, the right data, processed the right way, transforms outcomes. Data science doesn't just drive growth, it minimizes risks. Think fraud detection in banking or predictive maintenance in the automobile industry. By analyzing data in real time, systems warn us long before problems occur. You, the data scientist, are the architect behind this foresight. Let's break down the life cycle of a data science project. Understanding this pipeline is crucial, whether you're embarking on your first predictive analysis or deploying neural networks at scale. Understanding the problem. Any successful project starts by defining the problem. Ask yourself, what is the end goal? What decisions will the insights inform? Data collection. Data doesn't assemble itself. You'll gather it from APIs, databases, or even scrape it from the web. But beware, the quality of your analysis is only as good as the quality of your data. Garbage in, garbage out. Data cleaning and pre-processing. Here's where the real grind comes in. Cleaning messy datasets is arguably the least glamorous, yet the most critical step. Missing values? Duplicate entries? Your job is to refine the noise into clarity. Analysis and modeling. This is where the magic happens. Using methods like regression analysis, clustering, or deploying AI models, you uncover patterns that answer those burning why questions. Visualization and communication. Let's be real. Stakeholders don't care about your 200 lines of code. They care about results. Visualizations make insights intuitive. A chart that screams, "Here's our growth potential," speaks louder than raw tables. Deployment and monitoring. How do you ensure your real-world application keeps learning and thriving? Deployment pipelines and monitoring could make or break your project's relevance. The important takeaway? Every step builds towards actionable decisions. Skipping a phase means you're building castles on quicksand. Let's pause for some tough love. Data science may excite you with its possibilities, but it's also easy to fall into traps. How many of these sound familiar? Overfitting or underfitting? Ever created a model that performs like magic in training, only to flop in the real world? Overfitting, memorizing patterns rather than generalizing, is a common culprit. Meanwhile, underfitting usually points to overly simple models missing key complexities. Ignoring data bias. Remember, your model is only as unbiased as the data you feed it. Historical biases, social, racial, or gendered, can creep into systems, creating unethical results. It's up to us as data scientists to actively identify and mitigate these issues. Lack of interpretability. Complicated doesn't mean effective. Stakeholders need models they can trust and understand. Otherwise, all your hard work might be dismissed. Ultimately, being mindful and cautious saves not only time and resources, but also reputations. Now let's discuss the tools of the trade. No two data projects are the same, so you'll want to build a diverse toolkit. These tools empower you to innovate and adapt in dynamic scenarios. Programming languages. Python and R are our bread and butter. Python's versatility, combined with libraries like Pandas, scikit-learn, and TensorFlow, drives nearly every task. Data visualization tools like Tableau, Power BI, or even Matplotlib help deliver actionable insights. Remember, clarity, complexity. Big data technologies. With datasets the size of mountains, tools like Apache Spark and Hadoop are essential when speed and scalability matter. Cloud platforms, whether it's AWS, Google Cloud, or Azure, deploying models on the cloud ensures scalability and seamless integration with businesses. Mastering these tools makes you indispensable. Never stop experimenting. This is how your skills evolve. If today is exciting, tomorrow is exhilarating. Expect artificial intelligence and deep learning to keep stealing the spotlight. But look beyond the buzzwords. We're entering a world of explainable AI, where black box models evolve into white box systems for greater trust. Edge computing is making real-time analytics the norm, while quantum computing promises to solve multidimensional problems at an unimaginable pace. But here's the exciting part. The data scientist's role will shift to more strategic, creative pursuits as automation takes over repetitive tasks. Are you ready to evolve? Before we conclude, let's reflect on an underrated aspect, you. Data science isn't just technical. It thrives on empathy, storytelling, and collaboration. Think about this. A perfect algorithm means nothing if stakeholders don't understand its value. Your ability to communicate insights, lead discussions, and drive decisions matters as much as your technical prowess. Data scientists are the bridge between raw data and impactful results. By weaving creativity and logic, you transform numbers into narratives. So where do you go from here? Start with curiosity. Learn every day. Even small tweaks in your code or understanding yield significant results. Experiment with datasets beyond your current projects for broader exposure. And never forget, data science is not just about solving problems today, but shaping industries tomorrow. You are more than a data scientist. You are a catalyst for innovation. So go forth, explore, experiment, and most importantly, stay curious. Because in the ever-expanding universe of data, the possibilities truly are endless. Thank you for evolving alongside this extraordinary field, and let the data-driven adventures begin. This script is aimed to educate and inspire with a conversational tone for a data scientist audience. Let me know if you need modifications or expansions.